The night of the crash was one of the most horrific nights of my life. The only thing I wanted to do was get home to my son that night. The crash itself, I can't even describe to you. I wish I could, but it leaves me speechless to think about. It was so scary. I broke my ankle, so I spent a long time not even able to walk. It was hard to get back to work because of that. My back, from my neck to my hips, everything. Lyle and his team of experts right away, and we were actually lucky that they did, in the timing that they did. Got all of the evidence videos. They were able to get video from the toll booth plaza, video from the body cam, and they put it together in this wonderful video for mediation. And I would absolutely say that the number that they offered me was not comparable to what my life is worth. What they were offering with what they knew, it was inhuman. Through Lyle's hard work and dedication and just endless hours of work that he put into this case, he was able to settle it without us having to go to trial. So that mediation video really sealed the deal for our case. It really did.